Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can fix if your BLUEAIR purifier is not working and also you want to reset it. Let's say you have a red light there. So what you want to do is that you're going to have the filter right there. And what you want to do is you want to press the filter button for about, let's say 30 to 50 seconds. And then you want to release. That's it. So you're going to turn it on. Then you're going to press and hold the filter button for 30 to 50 seconds. Like press and hold, hold, and then you just release. And this is how you're going to do it. Super simple. So I hope this quick video helped you on how you can actually do that and how you can reset your air purifier, BLUEAIR. And let me know in the comments if it actually helped you. If not, I'm sorry. I tried. You know, this is something that I found also online for you how to fix that. And have a great day and goodbye.